Don't answer to your smallness. We are all so much better off when you don't answer to your smallness. Yes, you have fears. Yes, you have anxieties, just like the rest of us. But these are passing moments in your life. These are moments which you can get in between and make it so that they don't control, they don't absorb, they don't manipulate the way your life is going. You get to step in and change these reactions that you have to situations. The smallness is when we think, oh, I'm afraid, so this is how it's going to be. Oh, I'm just not capable. These are thoughts that run because they're simple. It's simple to be stuck. It's simple to be not sure of what to do. It's simple to be hesitant in action. Yes, that's a human reaction. That's a human situation to go through. However, if we want to move through these, we want to use the natural skills and talents and tools that we've been given from our birth. You've been given imagination, creativity, the ability to plan. And oftentimes, yes, it's a challenge because we're afraid that it might not go the way we want to. But this is the era where we need people to be more empowered in themselves. We need you to take charge and use these tools and share with us what natural gifts you have. There's never been a time like this before. In all of human history, we've never had all of these tools. We've never had all of this ability and access to actually shift the way things work. And we're seeing it with the advent of 3D printing, with the advent of vastly faster than any other period in history before, medical advancements, scientific discoveries. The James Webb telescope that just went up, we're allowed to see so much further into the future. Not only is production increasing in speed, development and research, but the human mind is working at such a greater expanded pace because there's so much more to take in, there's so much more to know. Your imagination in this environment, using that is magnifying your imagination, your creativity, your ability to change the world. So don't get stuck in your smallness. And yes, again, this is how we use the breath. The breath is a passing substance. It's a passing phenomenon. We inhale inspiration and we exhale what we've produced, which is carbon dioxide. But such is so with life. We take in information, we process it, we move through it. These emotions are meant to be moved through. The reason why they say take deep breaths is because you bring yourself back to where you are, brings you back to your present, and you have more ability to use your imagination, your creativity, to actually change the way that you go about your life. This is why the breath is such a foundational tool to having more success in your life. You don't get stuck in these small places that are simply passing idle thoughts. They are idle thoughts because they haven't been given energy to change them. Because you are a problem solver with that imagination, with that creativity. That's what you're here to do. You're here to solve problems. We need that from you. So by taking a little bit of a small moment, a little bit of time to breathe and bring yourself back to normal in the right way, it has the immense ability to help you move through things very quickly. Now, this is not a replacement for therapy, but as a supplement to therapy, it is immense. It is immense because it's used in the moment. You're going to shift almost anything by recognizing that it's temporary. Practicing that, I'll tell you, I've practiced it a lot in my life, and the state of presence and the state of clarity and confidence that I feel now, not to mention ease, not to mention the effectiveness of the thoughts I have and the actions I take, is greatly improved. I really want to share this powerful powerful device that we all have within us with as many people as I can. So share this out, please. I know it's the YouTube thing to do. Just do it. You know how it's done. If this at all speaks to you, and it strikes a little bit of a spark inside of you, please let me know and share it to anybody who you think is going through a hard time or is looking for some way to transform their life. Just it begins small, but we can't expect great change quickly like in the movies. Movies are an hour and a half long. Your life is a lot longer than that. There's a lot more capacity to keep moving through things. Even if you fail, even if you slip up, even if something traumatic happens to you, you have a long life ahead of you. And having this tool at your side, it has changed my life in ways you cannot imagine. And it's so simple. So now that the rain stopped, I can finish my video. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you here on my website, yourinnerpower.ca. There's going to be tons of resources. There's going to be classes, there's going to be techniques, there's going to be wisdom, there's going to be research, all of that stuff, because this is such a powerful tool that we need to start addressing for your health, your inner power, because it's all of our power once you're empowered. And that's me rhyming like a traditional rapper with the same word over and over again. I love you so much. Be well. Bye.